The head, still in development, houses stereo vision cameras that are pointed by an articulated neck. As the operator moves his head, Robonaut's eyes are pointed to mimic the human's gaze, with the binocular video on the helmet's displays that give a sense of depth and VR immersion. The head contains an additional pair of cameras with auxiliary view angles and LEDs that can be used to illuminate the worksite in low lighting conditions. The current hand has 12 individual controlled motions or degrees of freedom divided into 2 sections. The first 2 fingers and the thumb make up the dexterous work side. They have 3 degrees of freedom. They can open and close, as well as spread apart, essentially like human fingers. The remaining 2 fingers only open and close. They are used for grasping. The palm can cup to help grasp tools. With over 100 sensors in the arm, the manipulator has a fine motion capability that equals its great strength. The arm's 1-to-1 strength-to-weight ratio is unequaled in the commercial manipulator world, allowing for the portable and mobile applications that Robonaut faces. Robonaut is a tele-operated robot, meaning that a human operator can control its movements from a distance. The teleoperator wears a head-mounted display to both control the head of the robot and to see what the robot sees. Robonaut's sophisticated hands can work with tweezers, pipettes, and a number of other common handheld tools that could be used for a host of telescience applications.
Okay, we're going to solder these 2 wires together, and I need some help. I want you to first take this wire in your left hand. Good grip. And I want you to take this wire in your other hand. Good grip. Now put those 2 together while I get the soldering iron and some solder.
All right.
Okay. Release your right hand, your left. Let's test the junction. Looks good.
One end. Thank you. And I'm going to hold the other end. And now what I want you to do is look at me, look up at me. And I want you to move that way. You got a little bit of a bend in the rod. Now look back at your rod. Try and look back at this rod right here. Try and get that straight so it's not too bent. And then come towards me a little bit, a little tiny bit, a little bit, stop. Okay? Now put a bend in it. Put a bend in it like that. Okay. Good. Now go back to straight. Make it straight. Very good. Now put a bend in it the other way. Okay? Now straighten it out again. Okay? Now I want you to go down. Lower your end. More. More. Okay, stop right there. Okay, now I want to back out. Let's move this out. Okay. Like release, steering wheel.
Right arm. Right arm dog.
Freeze that hand.
Freeze right hand. Right hand frozen. Thaw left arm. Left arm dog.
Come up and grasp it right here. We're down low, you're fine.
Freeze left arm. Left arm frozen. Thaw left arm. Left arm dog.
Loose grasp. Too tight. That's good right there. That's good.